Please be seated. Good evening, everyone. So thank you so much for coming. Now we are going to start our regular meditation. Please find your comfortable and relaxed posture. Sit very comfortably. Keep your back straight as much as you can. Gently close your eyes. Gently bring your attention to your body. Now take a few long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your muscles, your head, shoulders, left arm, right arm, also your chest, your belly, up of the right leg, low of the right leg, up of the left leg, low of the left leg. Relax your whole body. Relax your mind. Relax. 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 Now we all are going to develop our loving thoughts. We are going to practice loving kindness meditation, Metta Bhavana. Just make a little smile on your face. Then you can feel you are happy. And same time, please repeat these 3 words to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Understand the meaning of each word deeply and repeat them to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be free from suffering, illness, fear, anxiety, anger, ego, worrying difficulties. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now imagine your family, your parents, friends, husband or wife, children, brothers or sisters, your girlfriend, boyfriend, best friend, also your neighbors. Bless to them. May my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. Now include your difficult people in your life. If you have any difficult people, no need to make any angry thoughts about them. Just imagine them and bless to them. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May my family be free from suffering, illness, fear, anxiety, anger, worry, and difficulties. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. Now we all are going to spread our loving thoughts to around the world. We are not separating anyone. Just think we all are human. We all are living in very large family. May all living beings, human, non-human, also this environment, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. Now slowly turn your attention to your breath. Take a few long breaths and relax your body once again, also your mind. Now we are going to practice breathing meditation. Normally we all are breathing, but we are not focusing our breath. As a human, we need to observe our breath. Then we can feel we alive, we breathe, and also this breathing practice is teaching us so many things. Now turn slowly your attention to your breath. Breathe in mindfully, breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully, Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in, breathe out. No need to control your breathing. Center your attention to the tip of your nose. Breathe in, breathe out. If you are observing your breath mindfully, you can see there are four types of breaths. Deep breaths, in and out, short breaths, in and out. You can change your posture anytime. Do it mindfully and slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Where is your mind? Return your thoughts to the breath. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. There are so many thoughts, sensations come to your mind. Let them come and go. Understand the nature of your mind. It is so important. Mind nature is producing thoughts, good or bad, wholesome or unwholesome. Let them come and go. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Understand how important it is to practice these meditations every day. It is bring you your own happiness, balance, freedom. Now please bring your hands together in front of your heart. Make it strong to practice this meditation every day, at least 2-3 minutes. May peace be with you. May all living beings be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Slowly open your eyes. Good evening everyone again. So thank you so much for joining with us today in the evening. Today I would like to share with you about balance. I think this topic is so popular between people who does yoga and also who does meditations and who does many activities. They are trying to find balance their life. When I think about this topic, balance, it is so interesting. Being a monk more than 20 years, I still try to find my balance. Sometimes it comes and goes. I cannot keep it in my mind and also my body. When we ask this question to yoga students, why you are doing yoga? What is the purpose of yoga? They may say, I need my balance, body balance and also mind balance. So, when we do some workout at the gym, we do same thing, right? Lifting stuff, and because we need our body balance. And meditation, we do mind balance. It teaches us how to keep our mind balanced. When I think about this topic, one story came to my mind. One day, a monk came to the Buddha. He asked the Buddha, this monk was so tired with his meditation practice, and that's why he visited to Buddha. He came to Buddha and asked Buddha, this meditation is so awful. I'm so tired with it. I gave up. I don't want to practice again this meditation. Sit on the cushion, close my eyes, thinking about I am well, I am happy, I am peaceful. Focus on my breath. It is so hard. Now you experienced these two meditation. It is so hard, right? But seems like it is so easy, thinking about 3 words again and again. Right? It is so hard. And so this monk asked that question, Bhante, I need some advice. Then Buddha said, okay, tell me, before go to that question, tell me about you. Before you became a monk, who were you? This monk said, I was a musician. I was a musician. Then Buddha said, it means you know everything about music instruments. Oh yeah, I know everything. I can give a lecture to you about music and music instruments. Then Buddha say, tell me about guitar. Did you play a guitar? Yes, I know about guitar. I played it. Okay, now you playing guitar. If you do tight string on the guitar, can you enjoy beautiful music from the guitar? Then this monk said, no. Then Buddha asked, why? Because that strings are too tight. Now you too lose that string. Can you enjoy beautiful sound from the guitar? This monk said, no. Then Buddha asked, why? Because Buddha, that strings are too loose. It means if you too tight or too loose strings on the guitar, you cannot enjoy beautiful music. You cannot play it well. Now you want to play it very well, and also you want to enjoy music. What do you need to do? This monk said, I have to keep that strength middle way, not too tight, not too loose. Then Buddha said, here you go. Go and practice again. Don't tight yourself. Don't lose yourself. What does that mean? Sometimes we too tight ourselves. When we practice meditation, sit on the cushion, we are thinking so many stuff. Thinking about our family, children, our school stuff. Sometimes you don't know, sometimes you practice meditation, it is not real meditation. Maybe you just sit on the cushion, very proper way, but you are not practicing. Just thinking about broccoli, thinking about pizza, right? That much we too tight ourselves. Sometimes we are thinking about future. Sometimes we are thinking about past. Especially when we focus on our difficult people, what our mind says. Oh, this person did so many annoying things to me. Why I am focusing, why I am practicing this meditation to him or her. It means again and again we too tight ourselves. Right? We have to stay away from that ideas, emotions. How do we to lose ourselves? Sometimes we don't have much determination to practice this meditation. We postpone. Today is so tired. I want to practice tomorrow. Now it is too cold. I need some warm weather. Sometimes we postpone our practice, right? We too lose ourselves. We too lose our practice. Then what happened? Again our unskillful negative thoughts comes up. Then we cannot balance ourselves. And now think how many times you are getting angry with yourself when you are practicing meditation. Sometimes you cannot count. Sometimes 2-3 times. Have you ever searched why I am getting angry during my practice time? Sometimes you didn't do it, right? You just, thought, oh, I got anger, that's it. Then you came back to your practice and that's it. Practice it. It is different. During meditation time, if you have some kind of thoughts in your mind is arising, you will have to focus it. All these thoughts have 3 situations. There are 3 situations of thoughts. In Pali called uppajjati. Uppajjati means thoughts are arising. Right? Thoughts are arising. Second one is upajjahanti. Upajjahanti means thoughts are remaining. Third one is abbhanam gacchati. Abbhanam gacchati means thoughts are disappearing. There are 3 situations of all of the thoughts. Thoughts are arising, remaining, and also disappearing. Whatever thoughts, good or bad, stinky or beautiful, whatever thoughts come to your mind, you have to see very carefully, closely, where these thoughts come from. Then you can see root of the thoughts and how they remaining and also when they disappearing. If you can see these three situations of the thoughts, you can win. You can make your balance. Otherwise, how many times you sit on the cushion making balance of yourself, it doesn't work. Right? This is my message for you. Don't to type yourself. Don't to lose yourself. Make yourself balance point, balance way. Then you can enjoy your practice and also your life. Be a guitar. Enjoy your life. Okay? Okay, thank you so much for coming. Now monks are going to chant, and may all the power of blessing be with you. We are going to chant Metta Sutta, Loving Kindness Sutta. Just listen this chant very mindfully and lovingly. And we are going to bless you all, be well, happy and peaceful. May not harm come to you, may not dangers come to you, may not difficulties come to you. May you be well, happy and peaceful. May you be strong and healthy mentally and physically. Just close your eyes and listen this chanting mindfully. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso bhagava arahant samma Vinjacharana sampanno sugato lokavidu anuntaro purisa dhamma sarati santa deva manussanang buddho bhagavati swakato bhagavata dhammo akaliko ehipassiko panayiko pancantang veditambo vinnyo iti supatipanno bhagavato savaka sangho ujupatipanno bhagavato savaka Nyaya patipanno bhagavato savaka sangho samiti patipanno bhagavato savaka Yadidang chattari purisa yugani anta purisa punggala esa bhagavato savaka Ahunayo pahunayo dankinayo anjali karanayo anuntarang punyangken lokan sati etena sanca vanjena dukkha upa ඒතේන සච්ච වංචේන බයාවූප සමින්තු තේතේන සච්ච වංචේන රෝගා සමින්තු තේ මහාකාරුණිකෝ නාතෝ හිතාය සම්බ පානිනං පූරෙන්ත්වා පාරමී හන්තෝ සම්බෝධි මුත්තමං ඒතන සච්ච වංජේන ඕතු තේජය ජයන්තෝ බෝධිආමූලේ සංඛ්‍යානං නන්දිවණ්ඩනෝ එවන්තුය ජයෝතු ජයස්සු ජය මංගලං සංකන්ත්වා බුද්ධ රතනං ඕසදං මං වරං හිතන් දේව මනුස් බුද්ධ තේජේන සොත්තිනානං සන්තුපන්දවා සම්බේ දුක්ඛාඋප තුතේ සංකන්ත්වා ධම්ම රතනං ඕසදං උත්තමං වරං පරිලාඋප ධම්ම තේජේන සොත්තිනානං සන්තුපන්දවා සම්බේ භයාඋප තුතේ සංකන්ත්වා සංඝරතනං ඕසදං උත්තමං වරං ආඋනේය පාඋනේයං සංඝතේජේන සොත්තිනානං සන්තුපදවා සම්බේ රෝගාඋප තුතේ අංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විඤ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං බුද්ධ තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ යංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විඤ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං ධම්ම සමන් තස්මා සොන්ති භවන්තු තේ යංකින්චි රතනං ලෝකේ විඤ්ජති විවිධා පුතු රතනං සංඝ සමන්නන්ති තස්මා සොන්ති තුතේ නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං බුද්ධෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වච්චේන ඕතු තේජය නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං ධම්මෝ මේ සරණං වරං ඒතේන සච්ච වච්චේන හෝතු තේජය මංගලං නන්ති මේ සරණං අඤ්ඤං සංඝෝ මේ සරණං ඒතේන සච්ච වච්චේන ඕතු තේජය මංගලං සම්බීතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනාශතෝ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායු සුඛී දීඝායුකෝ භව. May you be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.